Welcome back to the Chakra Healing Series. We have covered what chakras are, we have answered your most burning questions, and now it is time to go deep. Today we begin with the first chakra, the foundation of everything, the root. In Sanskrit, it is called Muladhara, which means root and base, and that is exactly what it is. The base upon which every other chakra and every other aspect of your life is built. If your root is unstable, nothing above it can be truly solid. And if your root is strong, everything else becomes possible. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine, at the perineum, near the pelvic floor. Its color is red. Its element is earth. Its frequency is 396 Hz. It is the most primal of all chakras, the one most connected to your physical survival, your sense of safety, and your place in the world. Think of it like the roots of a tree. You cannot see them, but without them, the tree cannot stand. Without them, the tree cannot grow. Without them, even the most beautiful branches will eventually fall. Your root chakra is exactly that, invisible, foundational, and absolutely essential. It governs your most basic human needs: shelter, food, safety, belonging, financial stability, and the fundamental sense that you have a right to exist, that you deserve to take up space in this world. Modern science supports this. The root chakra aligns closely with the body's autonomic nervous system, specifically the fight-or-flight response. When the root chakra is healthy and balanced, the nervous system operates from a place of safety. When it is blocked or destabilized, the body enters chronic stress mode, with measurable effects on cortisol levels, immune function, digestion, and emotional regulation. The root chakra influences 3 major areas of your life. Physically, it governs the legs, feet, bones, spine, lower back, adrenal glands, kidneys, and the large intestine. When the root chakra is out of balance, physical symptoms often appear in these areas: lower back pain, digestive issues, fatigue, immune weakness, and problems with the legs or feet. Emotionally, it controls your sense of security, belonging, and trust. It governs how safe you feel in the world, how grounded you feel in your body, and whether you experience life from a place of fear or from a place of stability. Financially and practically, the root chakra governs your relationship with money, survival, and material security. A person with a healthy root chakra does not live in chronic fear about money, shelter, or basic needs. Even when challenges arise, they trust in their ability to meet them. How do you know if your root chakra needs attention? A blocked root chakra often shows up as chronic anxiety, a background hum of worry that never fully goes away, even when your life is objectively fine. Financial fear, an obsessive relationship with money, constant scarcity thinking, or feeling like there is never enough. Feeling disconnected from your body, living in your head, difficulty being present, feeling floaty or ungrounded, difficulty trusting yourself, other people, or life itself. Physical symptoms in the lower body, persistent lower back pain, digestive issues, or fatigue that has no clear medical cause. An overactive root chakra looks different. It can show up as materialism, hoarding, excessive attachment to security, or controlling behavior. The person feels they must hold on tightly to everything because deep down, they fear it will all be taken away. Both, blocked and overactive, point to the same wound at the root, a belief often formed in childhood that the world is not safe, that you are not supported, that survival requires constant effort and vigilance. Now, the most important part: how do you heal it? 1. Grounding. Connect with the earth. The root chakra is the earth element, and the most direct way to heal it is literal contact with the earth. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. Research published in scientific journals, including studies by Gaetan Chevalier, shows that direct skin contact with the earth reduces cortisol, calms the nervous system, and decreases inflammation. This is called earthing or grounding. Ancient traditions knew this long before science measured it. 2. Body-based movement. The root chakra lives in the body, and it heals through the body. Yoga poses that engage the lower body and connect you to the ground are especially powerful. Child's pose, mountain pose, squat pose, called malasana in Sanskrit, which literally brings the entire body close to the earth and opens the pelvic floor where the root chakra lives. 3. Sound and frequency, 396 Hz. The solfeggio frequency associated with the root chakra is 396 Hz, known for its ability to release fear and guilt, the two core wounds of a blocked Muladhara. Its mantra is Lam. The low vibration of this sound resonates directly with the lower body, creating a felt sense of grounding and safety. In the next video in this series, we will go deep into the root chakra healing frequency, a full hour of 396 Hz music specifically designed to support your root. 4. Affirmations for the root. Affirmations are not about positive thinking. They are about reprogramming the nervous system, sending consistent safety signals to a body that has been in survival mode. Repeat these daily. With breath, with presence. I am safe. I am supported. I belong here. I have everything I need. The earth holds me. 5. Red foods and nourishment. The root chakra is nourished by red foods: beets, tomatoes, red peppers, pomegranates, strawberries. Eating whole, grounding foods, and paying attention to how you nourish your body directly supports root chakra healing. 6. Therapy and safety work. If your root chakra has been destabilized by early childhood experiences, and for many of us it has, deeper healing may involve working with a trauma-informed therapist alongside your energy practices. The root chakra holds our earliest wounds. Healing it is both energetic and deeply human work. The root chakra is where everything begins. It is not glamorous. It does not promise psychic visions or spiritual ecstasy. What it offers is something far more valuable: stability, safety, the felt sense that you are held by life. When your root is strong, you do not grip. You do not grasp. You do not operate from fear. You move through the world from a place of trust. And from that place, everything becomes possible. In the next video, we go even deeper, a full root chakra healing frequency session at 396 Hz, designed to release fear and restore your foundation. And if you want to know exactly how blocked your root chakra is, stay tuned for our root chakra test video coming very soon. Before I go, every Monday, I answer your questions right here on this channel. Whatever you want to know about chakras, energy, healing, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Monday energy is our thing now. I'll see you then. She is energy.